Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Mazda CX-5 GT, stock reference number 5053. This shape runs from the second month 2017 and is the current shape. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear tail light, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 19-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type and sunroof type, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, phone and lane assist buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.